Why just travel through the city of Melville when you can travel to it? Just 20 minutes from the CBD, tucked away in Perth's southern suburbs, lies a really unique day out and a natural gem that's making waves in ecotourism. This is the Eco Hub, the heart of sustainability and environmental learning in Melville. And for us parents who are constantly looking for new fun, nature-based experiences for our kids is a great option for a day out, especially as the school holidays approach.
We're all about creating connection with the community and with the natural world. We really want to inspire people to take action to care for our local environment. The building has really got sustainable building tech. We have recycled and repurposed materials. We also have some really great demonstrations around the site that provide some inspiration to our visitors for things that they can do within their own homes and gardens.
And the most gorgeous thing I saw earlier was the little kids who are here. What have you got for toddlers? Because I want one of their outfits.
Yes, they are so sweet and stylish, I must say. So we have heaps of toddler programs running all throughout the year. And I do love that. The parents bring them down, they help themselves to a coffee, and then they've got their kids running around in the cutest little styles. And they're just getting their hands dirty. This school holidays, we've got an amazing program lined up. So all ages can come down. There's going to be animal, wildlife meet and greets. We'll have worm farm workshops. We've got frog spotting, turtle tracking, cooking classes.
Whether you're a nature lover, a parent looking to keep the kids active, or just craving some green space, this is the place to be. And if the kids still have energy to burn, and let's be honest, they always do, this sensory play park is an absolute must. It is designed for children of all abilities, and I'm going to test to see if it's adult-proof too. Let's go. This award-winning park truly encompasses the joy of play, combining all the park favourites like slides, swings and monkey bars, but with the added touch of being nature-based and surrounded by tactile gardens. So whether you're after a family adventure, a peaceful nature walk, or even just some eco-inspiration, I think you'll agree that the city of Melville is the perfect destination.